Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today again I'm going to paint over this painting that I don't like, that I'm not happy with. Again, I'm going to be doing a swipe using the Amsterdam Oxide Black mixed with water only. And I'm only going to put 3 colors into the painting. I have Deco Art 24 karat gold, I've got a light blue, and I've got a purple. So those are the only 3 colors I'm going to put in. So let's get started. And I'm going to start with this purple. Just put quite a bit down. Right. Then some of this light blue, which is a lovely color, and then just a little bit of the gold. Now remember, you don't need to put a lot of this gold because it goes far, it really does. Now some more of this purple, some more of the blue, and another little bit of gold. That's it. That's all we're doing. Okay. Right. Now I'm going to bring you down slightly like that. Now we just dip in our palette knife into the paint, taking the excess off and swiping across. And then wiping the palette knife off. Oh, look at those cells. Straight away they just pop up. Okay, now I'm going to swipe again. Look at those cells. Oh, so pretty. And I can see already there's quite a bit of gold in there. And swipe across. I didn't really swipe that very well. It's okay, just go again. There. Wow. So pretty. Wow, that is really, really pretty. Now I'm just going to go over the edges of my canvas just with this black paint that I've got here in my cup, just to cover the edges like that. Right, let us spin this out. I'm going to bring you up now. Okay, let's go. Take it down and spin. And to the other side. And spin. Just a little bit more to go there. Okay, it's over. Wow. That is so pretty, and there's a lot of gold in there. So now just go round, make sure that all your sides are covered, which they are. Just one more, just for luck. Wow, that is so cool. Right, I'm going to take my gloves off, and then I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. And I'll show you all this pretty gold. Hold on a sec. So there it is. Really, really pretty. I'm going to put my flash on again so that you can see the gold. Right. So look at the gold. Again, there is gold everywhere. There's a lot going all the way down there. There's all over there. There's more there. All the way going up the side. So as you can see, you don't put a lot of gold in. You only put a little bit of the 24 karat gold in, and it spreads. It spreads throughout the painting. So there's a lot of gold all over the place in this painting now. Look there. Which is really so cool. Very, very cool painting. And I love the colors in here. I mean, and there was just 3 colors, the purple, the blue, and the gold. But very, very pretty. Lovely lacing, lovely patterns and designs. Lovely effects. Very happy with that. Much better than the painting that was already on this canvas. I'm glad I painted over it. It's a big improvement. So there we go, everyone. Thanks for watching. Thanks for joining me. And if you enjoyed the video, please give the video a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, everyone. Bye.